Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram messages not sending. So if Instagram messages are not sending, then in this video I'm going to show you guys a variety of ways in order to fix that. Fix number one is going to be really easy, but what you need to make sure to do is that the account you are trying to send a message to has not been banned from Instagram, and you also need to make sure that that person has not blocked you. If that account has been banned or that person has blocked you, then this means that you will not be able to send a message to that person. So always make sure to double check that. Maybe the account just randomly got banned, even though you have been messaging with this person for a really long time. Just make sure it's not banned or they have blocked you. Now, if you've already basically checked that and that's not the case, then the second thing I would recommend doing is making sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes your Wi-Fi will just randomly turn off. However, Instagram will still load a lot of things because it just preloaded your entire feed. Then it will sometimes seem like you still have Wi-Fi, but you don't. Just make sure you have Wi-Fi because you need Wi-Fi in order to send messages. Now, if you've already tried that as well, it's still not working, then I would recommend heading over into the App Store. Once you've done that, head over to Instagram, just like this. Just type in Instagram and make sure that you have updated to the latest version. If you have not updated Instagram to the latest version, then this could be the issue. And when you update Instagram, it will let you just hard refresh your entire app as well. So make sure to always update to the latest version. Now, if that was also not the case, then the fourth thing I would recommend doing is simply going to this website called Down Detector. It's called Down Detector. However, what I would actually recommend doing is going and type in Instagram down. So you're going to type in your search bar, it can be on Google Chrome, Safari, doesn't really matter. Just type in Instagram down. So I really can't type, but I'm going to type in Instagram down just like this. And basically, once you've typed in Instagram down, go to the first link and you want to make sure to see if the Instagram servers may or may not be down. You can really easily see this if there's a massive spike. We can currently see there's no spike at all, meaning the servers are not down. However, if the Instagram servers are down, then this could cause issues with you not being able to send messages. Now, if that was also not the issue, then the fifth thing I actually have for you guys is heading over to settings, just like this. Once you've done that, click onto general, iPhone storage, and basically once you've done that, scroll down till you find Instagram right here. And once you've done that, simply click on offload app. Offloading an app will literally just clear the cache of the entire Instagram app. It will hard reset the app. However, it will keep all of your documents data on your device and then just reinstall it from the same page. And like I said, everything will still be there. It's just a hard refresh. And this will fix a lot of issues you are having with Instagram, including messages not being able to be sent. Now, if that was also still not the issue, basically it's still not fixed, then the last thing I would recommend doing is basically doing a force restart over on your phone. Maybe there's just something wrong with your phone, so in order to fix that, push the volume up button, volume down, and then hold the power button. So quickly push and release the volume up, then quickly release the volume down, and then quickly then just hold the power button basically till your entire screen turns off. And once your screen has been turned off, just keep on holding that power button till the Apple logo appears again. And the second that Apple logo appears, you want to basically remove your hand from the power button, just leave the power button, and then your entire phone will be force restarted, and that should probably fix the issue for you. So yeah, that's everything I have for you guys right now. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.